I came to Northwestern in July of 1966, so that means I've been here about 51 years. I interviewed at the University of Chicago and at Northwestern. So University of Chicago offered me a position, $10,000 a year. That was 1965, 66. And then I interviewed at Northwestern, and they offered me $11,000 a year, plus some startup funds. So it seemed like, oh, this is a much better deal. And so that's how I ended up at Northwestern. Over the years, I've looked at positions elsewhere, but it just seemed that Northwestern just kept getting better and better. Good faculty being hired, everything expanding, and it just seemed like a good place to be. The department has grown, new areas have come in. We've been very fortunate. I think we've always had a very compatible group of faculty. I just really like and admire all of my colleagues that I've had over the years. One thing about the department is that it's always been a very strong teaching department. I've had a lot of PhD students and postdoctoral fellows, and that's sort of been what's made it the most exciting. I mean, I really enjoy thinking about questions, looking at data, figuring out what the next experiment is, but it's all much richer experience when you do it together with other people because they bring their ideas as well. One thing that's just amazing about science is that you make connections early on in your career, and then these connections continue to follow you. People I met when I was a graduate student who were visiting scientists, years later they invited me to come to their institution and to talk. So it's sort of an interconnected web of people as well. If I were to advise a young person starting in their career, don't get discouraged. And when opportunities show up, even though they seem maybe a little peripheral, you might want to take advantage of them. I think that's what I've done, and it's always paid off.